Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube videos not playing on Android. These guides take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that the YouTube that you are using is updated. Head over to your Play Store, search for YouTube. As you do that, if you see update like mine, select update and update your app. Second, also make sure that you are connected to a better Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is slower, you may go ahead and switch it to your mobile data. Third, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, select apps. Here also you will have to search for YouTube. So tap on the search button, type in YouTube, and then search. In here, scroll below, select storage, clear the cache. Now once you do so, select force stop and then OK. Now you may go ahead and restart your device. Once you do so, head over to YouTube, and you can see that it will start working. Just like so guys, this is how you can solve your problem. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. If you would like to get guaranteed answer to a question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.